Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our reflection video. Today, I would like to express our gratitude for the opportunity to present today. This meaningful content is made by Nhi, and this entire video slides is created by Cường. And other four members include me, Hung, Vân, and Kiệt. So today we will cover chapter 7, focusing on customer value driven marketing strategy. So this strategy involves four key steps: segmentation, targeting, differentiation, and positioning. So companies they cannot appeal to all buyers in the same way. So they identify market segments and select it and develop products with marketing mixes tailored to each. Segmentation divides the market into groups based on needs, characteristics, or behaviors. Targeting evaluates each segment's attractiveness and chooses which to serve. Differentiation creates superior value for customers while positioning places their offering clearly in the minds of target customers. For consumer markets, common segmentation base include geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral variables such as location, age, gender, income, lifestyle, and buying behavior. A customer value driven strategy ultimately aims to build the right relationships with the right customers.
Let's start with the psychographic segmentation. This divides the market based on people's social class, lifestyle, or personality traits. For example, a brand may design different products for adventurous people versus those who prefer comfort and tradition. Next is behavioral segmentation. This approach groups consumers based on how they behave toward a product, including their knowledge, attitudes, and usage patterns. One type of behavioral segmentation is occasion segmentation, when buyers are grouped by the occasion when they buy or use a product. A good example is Cadbury's Easter campaign, which boosts chocolate sales during the holidays. Then we have a benefit segmentation, which focus on the specific benefits customer look for in a product. For instance, Garmin design watches that emphasize different benefits, lifestyle performance, or health tracking for different customer needs. And yeah, I have also a Garmin here, so I know it pretty clear. Markets can also be segmented by user status, user usage rate, or loyalty status. For example, whether a person is a first-time user or a loyalty consumer. When it comes to business markets, companies often use similar variables, but they also consider things like industry type, company size, purchasing approach, or decision-making style. For, for international markets, segmentation can be based on geographic, economic, political, and cultural factors. A method known as intermarket or cross-market segmentation. For segmentation to be effective, it must create groups that are measurable, accessible, substantial, differentiable, and actionable. Now let's move on to market targeting. After identifying the segment, a company evaluates each one based on size, growth potential, attractiveness, and how well it matches the company's objectives and resources. Then the company choose a targeting strategy. There are four main strategies: unaided, undifferentiated marketing, or mass marketing, which is offering one product for everyone. The second one is different, I mean, different marketing, which develops separate offers for multi-segment. The third one is concentrated or niche marketing, which focus on one or a few specific segments. And finally, micro marketing, where products and marketing programs are customized for individuals or local areas. The best strategies depends on factors like company resources, product variability, and product life cycle, market diversity, and competitor action. In short, effective segmentation and targeting help companies find the right audience, satisfying their needs better, and compete more successfully in the market.
And last but not least, we are going to talk about how businesses can differentiate and position their products to achieve the strongest competitive edge. First is product positions, which is the way a product is defined by consumers on important attributes, the place it occupies in customers' mind relative to competing products. In planning their differentiations and positioning strategies, marketers often prepared perceptual positioning maps that shows consumers' perceptions of their brands versus those of competing products on important buying dimensions. The differentiations and positioning test consist of three steps: identifying a set of possible differentiations that create competitive advantage, choosing advantage on which to build a position, and selecting an overall positioning strategies. The brand is full of positionings. It's called its value propositions, the full mix of benefits on which the brand is positioned. In general, companies can choose from one of five winning value propositions on which to position their products. More for more, the strategy is providing the most upscale products and charging a highest price to cover the highest cost. In contrast, more of the same means a company can attract a competitor's value propositions by positioning its brands as offering more for the same price. The same for less, offering many of the same brands as department store, but at deep discount based on lower scored operations and superior purchasing powers. Similarly, the change for less presence, an idea for a market, almost always exists for products that offer less and therefore cost less. It involves meeting consumers' lower performance or quality requirements at much lower price. And the last one, more for less, illustrates the winning value propositions would be to offer more for less. Many companies achieve such lofty positions in a short run. Yet, in the long run, they will find it very difficult to sustain such best of both positionings. Companies and brand positionings are summarized in positioning statement that state the target segment and need. The positioning concept, a specific point of difference. The company must then effectively communicate and deliver the chosen positions to the market.
Coca-Cola, founded in 1886 in Atlanta, U.S., is one of the world's leading beverage companies, operating in over 200 countries. Coca-Cola is known for its unique taste, iconic branding, and messages of happiness. Some key features of Coca-Cola. The first one is strong global brand. One of the most recognized brands worldwide with a consistent image of happiness, sharing, and refreshment. And also the famous logo with red and white. And the slogan is Open Happiness. The second is wide product range. Coca-Cola offers many beverages like Coca-Cola Original, Zero Sugar, Diet Coke, Fanta, Sprite, Minute Maid, and bottled water like Dasani. The third one is extensive distribution network. Coca-Cola available almost everywhere: supermarkets, restaurants, cafes, vending machines, and small local shops. Strong logistic and partnerships ensure market presence even in rural area. And the last one is innovations and sustainability. Develop healthier options like low sugars or no sugars. Focuses on recycling, eco-friendly packagings, and water sustainability projects in rural communities. And then we will find out how Coca-Cola apply these strategies in Vietnam. The first one is segmentations. Coca-Cola divide Vietnamese market by geography from the urban area like Hanoi cities or Ho Chi Minh cities to rural areas. Demographics: youth from 15 to 85, 35 families and mid-income levels. Uh, Psychographics: lively, social, and optimistic lifestyle. Behavioral occasions: that parties, loyalty program, and lighter product for health conscious users. And the second is targeting. Coca-Cola use differentiated marketing, mainly uh, targeting young, active consumers and families. It also offers multiple products, like I said before, to fit with different tastes and many income levels.
Coca-Cola differentiates itself through a broad product variety and local adaptation, such as tight packaging, while running a emotional campaign like Share a Coke to connect with consumers. So its strong distribution network ensures availability across all regions. In terms of positioning, Coca-Cola is seen as a symbol of happiness, togetherness, and refreshment, suitable for every Vietnamese occasion, from family meals to celebrations. So, in conclusion, Coca Cola Vietnam effectively combines broad reach, localized strategies, emotional branding, and product diversity, appealing to both youth and families. And now, thank you for watching our reflection videos.